Hi everybody, this is Abhijit and you're watching AB Study Circle. If you go through my YouTube channel, you will see that I'm teaching the subject of thermodynamics. In the videos in my channel, I have tried to explain the concepts and showed you how the concepts are useful in solving the numerical. Now, from today onwards, we are starting a new segment where we will be solving thermodynamic problems which are previously asked in GATE examinations. Many of you will ask, what is GATE? GATE is an entrance examination for higher studies. Undergrad students appear in this examination to pursue higher studies, right? The GATE is nothing but is graduate aptitude test in engineering, and it's basically conducted in India, and it's very crucial because it helps the students to get admission in different engineering institutes across India. So let's start. The first question is in your screen, and this question was basically asked in the year 2022 and it carries only 1 mark. And if you say that it's only 1 mark, why to bother for this question? I will say that yes, it's 1 mark question. It's a very simple question, and this 1 mark will help you to boost your GATE score. So let's start with this question. The question says that a polytropic process is carried out from an initial pressure of 110 kilopascal, that is P1, and a volume of 5 meter cube, that is V1, to a final volume of 2.5 meter cube, that is V2. The polytropic index is given by n equal to 1.2. Yes, it's also given in the question, and the question asks you sorry, the question asks you to find out the work done during the process in terms of kilojoule, right? Now, this question belongs to two important concepts. First, the polytropic law, and second, the work done for a polytropic process. And if you don't know about these two things, you can go to my previous videos and get the understanding, get the explanation from there. Okay, let's start with the question. So the question wants you to find out the work done, that is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1, right? And from the question you can see that P1 V1 V2 and n is already given in the question. That means our prime focus or the unknown here is P2, and that is the much more concerned thing. If you able to find out the value of P2, then we can very easily find out the work done during the process, during the polytropic process, right? So for finding out the P2, we have another equation, that is polytropic law, that is PV to the power n is constant. For this, we have P1 V1 to the power n is equal to P2 V2 to the power n. That means P1 is 110 multiplied by 5 to the power 1.2. P2 is unknown. V2 is 2.5 to the power 1.2. From this P2 we can find out as 252.7136. If you calculate it, you will get it, right? Okay, so we have already find out this P2. Now we have to just put it in your work done. P1, that is 110 multiplied by 5 minus 252.7136 multiplied by 2.5 and n is 1.2 minus 1, and you will get it as minus 408.92 kilojoule. Right. Now, after getting this value, minus 408.92 kilojoule, you will look at the options in your screen of your examination and you will select the answer. But mind that this question does not bother whether the work done is done by the system or on the system, right? It asks you to find out the absolute value of the work done. That means it wants you to tell what is the magnitude of your work done. So the right answer will be only 408.92 kilojoule, not the minus 408.92 kilojoule, right? Okay, so you have 408.92 kilojoule, and this is your answer. This will be your answer. Right, this will be your answer. So you can see that this question was asked in GATE examination, and there is a very big perception within the undergrad engineering student that the GATE examination is very tough, very difficult. No, my dear students, this is not very difficult. Just you have to understand the concepts and apply those concepts in the numericals, and that's it. It will be very easy. You can see it from this question itself. It's a 1 mark question, but yes, it's very easy, very simple question, and this question has been asked in GATE examination. That means if you have solved this question, if you have correctly answered this question in your examination, you can fetch 1 mark, and yes, 1 mark matters. So that's it for this video. Please like this video, subscribe the channel if you want to know or want to have these types of videos in future. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and also share with your friends who are also preparing for the GATE examinations. Right? Thank you for this video. Thank you.